In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify store unavailable. If you're seeing a store unavailable message, it usually points to a domain connection issue, most commonly related to DNS. Don't worry, this is typically straightforward to resolve. I'll walk you through what to do, why it matters, and a few tips to keep things smooth. First, if you recently updated your DNS settings with your domain provider, give it time. DNS changes need to propagate across the internet, and that can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. During this window, your store might flicker between available and unavailable, or not load at all in some regions. The best thing you can do here is wait it out and avoid making repeated edits. Each change restarts the clock, so set the correct values once and let the propagation complete. If it's been more than 48 hours and the issue persists, head to Shopify. Sign in to your Shopify Admin on a desktop browser so you have full access to settings. Your admin dashboard often shows alerts if a domain isn't connected properly, which can give you a quick clue about what's wrong. Next, open Settings, then go to the Domains section. This is where you'll see your primary domain and any additional domains connected to your store. Look at the status indicators next to each domain. If Shopify detects a problem, you'll usually see a message explaining what needs attention, like a missing record or a mismatch. This area is your control center for domain health inside Shopify. Now, check your DNS records, specifically the A record and the CNAME record. The A record for your root domain, such as example.com, should point to Shopify's IP address. The CNAME record for the www subdomain should point to shops.myshopify.com. Make sure there's only one A record for the root and that it matches Shopify's value, and confirm the CNAME is set exactly to the Shopify target, with no extra spaces or typos. If you see conflicting or outdated entries like multiple A records, an incorrect CNAME target, or old hosting entries, update them to match Shopify's requirements. After you save any changes with your domain provider, remember that DNS may need up to another 24 to 48 hours to propagate again. And that's it, really easy and simple. To recap, allow time for DNS propagation if you've made recent changes. Go to your Shopify admin, navigate to Settings and Domains, and verify that your A record and CNAME match Shopify's expected values. With the correct records in place and a little patience for propagation, your store should come back online.